So I've been eyeing the Beats Fit Pro for a while now, and I couldn't figure out which one that I wanted to get. So I bought all of them. And I'm gonna be unboxing it here with you guys to figure out which one I like best. And who knows, maybe you'll figure out which flavor works for you. Let's find out. Yeah, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Having them all sitting here in front of me, they look nice. I mean, really nice. But before we get into the earbuds, let's see what else comes in the box. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging, small and large ear tips, and beyond that, we have a quick start guide, Beats sticker, and 3 free months of Apple Music. And that's about it. So back to the earbuds. At first glance, they are bigger than the AirPods Pro case, but still fit in my pocket with ease. The case has a nice matte finish to it, which I really like. And you'll find a USB-C charge port on the back, and there's a tiny LED indicator on the front, along with the indent to help with opening the case. On the inside, we're greeted with the truly wireless earbuds. We have white, stone purple, sage gray, and black, which are held securely in place by magnets. Seriously, they snap into place and will not budge. Okay, here are some quick specs for the earbuds. It has the Apple H1 chip, which allows easy pairing with Apple devices and allows you to switch between them without pressing any buttons at all. It has an optical sensor for skin detection, so no worries about music playing and draining the battery when they're touching another surface besides skin. They also have transparency mode and active noise canceling, and it works for Androids as well. You'll just have to download the Beats app to set it up. Alright, so the moment you've been waiting for. Let's try these earbuds on. But first, before we do that, let's pair them to my phone real quick. Because of the H1 chip, pairing to an iPhone is super easy. Just open up the case near your phone and the earbuds will pop up on your phone. Next, you click the connect button, skip the media portion if you like, and hit done. And that's it. You're paired and ready to go. Okay, let's try them on. One thing that I did notice while trying them on is that the fit was perfect out of the box. I had a really good seal, and no matter how much I shook my head, the earbuds didn't fall out. But now that we know that we have a good fit, it's time to choose the perfect aesthetic fit for me. Actually, leave a comment down below letting me know which one you thought I picked and why. Curious to see if you're right. Alright, so the one that I'm gonna pick, right? The one that works for me, I think I'm gonna go with the sage gray. Alright guys, so you have my pick. I'm going with the sage gray. Let me know down in the comment sections, which one did you pick? What's your flavor? Which one of these beautiful headphones stuck out to you the most? Alright guys, thanks for hanging out and unboxing these earbuds with me. It's been a lot of fun playing around with them. And if you like what you saw, go ahead and drop a like on this video and subscribe if you want to continue to see more content like this on this channel. You guys have been great, and as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.